My first time ever putting together a booth, I saw one guy stood all the way out there looking at the booth. This gentleman in about 45, 46-year-old. And I told him, I go, come here. So he came over. Out of the whole event for 3 days straight, one guy filled out the form with the right phone number. So I contacted him afterward and I asked him, I get to know him. He said he's 45, 46 and his wife and kids are stuck in Vietnam. Same story at what happened to my father. And so he said he's sponsoring them over to the US, but they don't have any relative here. So he wanted to have something that just in case something were to happen to him, his wife and kids will be able to survive. And I said, let me help you. So I've looked into his finances and I said, look, you can save $200 a month. And he said he can do that. So we started saving $200 a month to get him $250,000. And I put that plan together. Never think anything of it. Ever since he left, we never talked again. 2 years later, I got a phone call from his wife, 27, 28 years old, my mom age when my dad left. 2 little girls, just like my sister and I. And she said, my husband passed away and he gave me your number. He said, if anything ever to happen to me, call this lady. And when she called me, I was just in shock because I said, wait a minute, no, I just met him. It was just 2 years ago. He was only 45, 46. And she said, yeah, but he passed away. And I don't know what to do. That was the first time ever I felt I'm here for a reason. It was my mission. It was my duty to be here. And so I told her, I go, don't worry about it. Your husband thought about you and your kids. So I felt like I was a voice for him, deliver this message to the wife and his kids. She doesn't even know how to fill out the form because she doesn't even know English. I remember the connection when I just came over, I didn't understand anything. So I was helping her fill out the form. She came back a week later with a stack of bills. She does not know what it's all about and how to pay for it and everything. So I told her every day, come into my office at 6, 7 o'clock when all my clients are done. So I would write in English and put the yellow post note in that envelope. I said, go to the bank, give them this. It said, my husband passed away. I'm the wife. Please transfer everything to me. Here's the bill to utility. Here's the bill to gas. So I wrote all that out to her, and the loss, the face from her is like, where are you coming from? You're like an angel sent. I felt that. And the 2 little girls were sitting there looking at me like, help. I felt so good that day going home. From that point on out, I took the money, I helped rearrange. She was able to get an apartment. She got the money to pay for it. I set up college planning for the 2 girls. I set up life insurance policy for her because now they rely on her. And I feel good. And you know what? Every year from that point on out, she called me, she come on in, she reviewed, and the girls now is so tall and they're in high school, middle school, and their English is really well. And I look at them like, my goodness, it was me. It was that wave that getting him to come over.